Okay, in this video we are going to download and install Google Chrome. We have a fresh install of Windows 10 here. We're going to clean up our start menu a little bit. Bring our file browser over here to the beginning. Get rid of this. Open up Explorer and search for Chrome. Google Chrome. Here we go. Download Chrome. Okay, I like to help make Google Chrome better. Sending anonymous usage statistics. You can uncheck that if you're concerned about privacy, but it is anonymous. And we'll just run this. And we'll accept this. Administrator privileges, accept this to install. So this is what's called a web installer. It's a small installer that you run, and then that tiny installer looks on the internet and installs the latest version available. Okay, so this is Google Chrome. I'm going to right click and pin this to taskbar. Right? And I highly recommend you go ahead and log in if you have a Gmail account. If not, I would create one. They're free, and you can save your bookmarks across different browser sessions. Okay. If I close this and open it back up, it will ask me if I want to set it as default. I personally do, and it will open up the default apps in Windows for you, and you just click on Google Chrome, and now this is your default web browser. Okay, and let's go ahead and download Mozilla Firefox as well. So it's always good to have a few different browsers in case one is acting up. Firefox. Download Firefox. It started and it completed. Click it and run the installer. Yes. Okay, now we've opened up Firefox. Similar to Chrome, you can log in with an account. I'm going to pin this, right click, pin to my taskbar. Then I'll close it. And I'll run it again. And it should ask if I want to make it the default, and I do not. And there you go, you have 3 different browsers to choose from. And there's a new browser from Windows based on the Chromium engine that you can install too. Some other ones are Brave is a new one that's security minded, so you can try different browsers, but it's always good to have a few different ones to test out.